Okay, so what have we been up to? Well, as I said in my last little video, I'm going to do a skybox, which I have now done. Added a new header. It's very similar to drawing just a cube, with the exception, of course, you're having to texture it basically on the inside of the cube, which does make it quite difficult. I'm not going to go through all this code. This is up on GitHub. If anybody is interested, feel free. If I knew that somebody was actually making any use of this, it'd make my day. I'm only doing this because I just enjoy doing it. It keeps me out of mischief. Anyhow, that's the header for all the bits we need to do to create the skybox and the textures, and then it's loaded exactly the same as every other object I load on the screen. The cubes, the terrain, it comes into here. I have set a flag for this so as we can only add one skybox. Basically runs down through here, sets everything up. It was quite difficult because these images for the texture that are used are all one image, so you have to get each image for the each panel of the top, bottom, left, right, front, back sort of thing. So it is quite complicated going through it all. What does that achieve? It achieves this. We can add a terrain, we can add our sunshine, and we can add a skybox. The skybox isn't very fast at loading, so I do need to do some looking to see. And look at that, 360 degrees of sky, and it works. You walk towards it, it doesn't get any closer. You can zoom in on it and zoom out, but you can't actually walk towards it. The sky always stays at a set distance, which is also quite clever, I think. I've made a little editor for it, so we can, again, this is quite slow. I think it's to do with all the images. We can literally change this at runtime to be whatever sky we like. And there you go. It's, yeah, I think for a newbie or a novice or whatever it is you're supposed to call yourself when you've only just started programming, I think this is quite, and it is so much fun. I really do. I know every video I make I say about how much fun it is. That's because I'm an old git and I've got nothing better to do. And I just thoroughly enjoy messing about with this and watching all the tutorials on YouTube and all the other things to see how it's done, and I just think it's really cool. I just think it's clever. My next challenge that I'm going to try to undertake is because this isn't the games engine. This is more of an editor type thing. I want to actually see if I can make a cube and then interact with the cube by not just scaling or rotating it, but actually being able to edit its shape. So that could be good fun, and it could be a while before there's another update of the Spidex editor. Anyhow, thanks for watching if you did.